Do you know what is conversational AI and natural language processing? Hi, this is Krupali from KnowHow Academy. So let's start with me. Let me tell you first what you are going to learn in this video. In this video, you will learn what is conversational AI. Second, how NLP is used in conversational AI. Third thing, practical implementation of conversational AI with natural language processing, that is NLP. So let's start. So first, let me explain you what is conversational AI with a simple example. You may use ChatGPT. So what ChatGPT is? ChatGPT is whatever question you ask, based on your question, ChatGPT will answer in a form of English language or whatever language you have selected. So, how ChatGPT understand your question? So, ChatGPT, you may think that some person is there and that person is answering your question. But let me correct you, it is not like that. It is a computer generated answer based on your question. So you ask a question and your computer, or you can say bot, will answer. That is not human. So that is called conversational AI. Now the second thing is how NLP used in conversational AI. So NLP full form is natural language processing. So if computer understand only 0 and 1 language, so how we can make computer understood what humans speak and what human try to say in their question. So if we want to do thing in computer world, that is called NLP, that is natural language processing. Computer will understand the human language and try to respond as human respond. So that is called natural language processing. So let me explain you with the help of example. So when computer try to understand a human's written language or spoken language, first computer try to identify the intent, and the second thing is entity. So let me explain you with the simple example. Let's say you go to the restaurant and you say, I want to order a large pizza. So the person who is taking an order, they will understand first intent. Intent means what you want. Basically in this sentence, I want to order a pizza. So you want to order. So that is called your intent. So automatically the person will understand the intention of that person is to order. Then entity, what you want to order. Basically restaurant is selling so many items, but you want to order pizza. So here we can say entity is pizza. Then sometimes entity has an attribute, let's say large pizza, medium pizza, a kind of thing. So from your sentence, computer first will understand your intent and then it will understand the entity. So the program is designed such a way that from your speech or from your written sentence, algorithm will identify the intent and the entities. So that's where natural language processing is work. So that way NLP will work. Now rather talking about theory, let's implement practically how conversational AI we can do practically using natural language processing. So there are many platforms in that you can develop conversational AI, or we can say a chatbot. Basically when we talking about the conversational AI, that is similar to the chatbot. So let's implement conversational AI using Microsoft Virtual Copilot. So open your browser and search for Copilot, or you can say Power Virtual Agent. And you scroll little bit down and here you will see the link that Microsoft Copilot Studio. Click on that link. And you need to sign in using that. Now you need to sign in. To sign in, you should have a company or school account. Any public domain account will not work. This is called your welcome screen. So basically, Power Virtual Agent will provide you a facility to develop a chatbot. So chatbot, how you can implement? So you can implement chatbot using Copilot Studio. So this is your Copilot Studio where you are going to build a conversational AI flow using NLP, right? So basically here this is your environment. Here you will get 4 options: home, create, copilots, library, and this is the menu. This is the new Copilot UI. Before that, the look and feel of this studio was some different. So recently, Microsoft has updated Copilot Studio UI. So don't worry, you will get an idea. If you are habituated with developing a Copilot in old UI, so you need to switch in the new UI phase. So let me go to the home. Here you will see whatever Copilot you have developed, it is presented here. Now here you can create your own Copilot. You can click here. So whatever Copilot you have developed till now, you will see here. You can import Copilot and you can create your new Copilot also. You can click here also to create a new Copilot. So let me click on create. Let me click on the create, and here you can create a new Copilot. So click on that. Let me zoom little bit so you can get an idea. So here it is asking that which type of Copilot you can build, what it should include. So if you are new and you want some suggestion, so you can chat here. Otherwise, or directly from here you can create. But I don't want to click create here from the my chat, but I want to start from the beginning. So you can go to skip to configure, and here you need to give a name to your Copilot. Since you are learning, so I am giving a Copilot, that is learning Copilot. Here you can change the icon, you can write a description, you can give instruction, and you can add knowledge. So how to add knowledge? Basically, add knowledge means if existing file you have prepared for user knowledge, so you can upload it. But since you are learning, so I am not uploading any file, we are creating from the scratch. So learning Copilot is ready. Now when you create a Copilot first time, here it will display the list of Copilot you have developed. This window is for the name of the Copilot, whatever description you have written, whatever instruction you have given, and whether you want to add knowledge or not. So here it is the basic screen. Here is your testing screen. In old design, testing screen was this side. Okay, so here the simple message will, you can see that this is a message when it will display when you are running your Copilot. So here it is saying that I am a learning Copilot and virtual assistant. So when users start interacting with the chatbot, so they will get an idea this is a virtual assistant agent, not the person who is not any person is answering. So sometimes it may make mistake. Okay, then here you can see the different tab is available: topic, action, analytics, and channel. So basically, when you want to develop a chatbot, you want to add a topic. Now, on what topic we are developing a chatbot? So let's say I want to develop a chatbot which will ask me to order something, or which will take my order. So we are developing a chatbot which will take order from the user. So these are so for that I need to develop a topic. So these are the topic which is available inbuilt. So let's say if you say goodbye, so how it will answer. If you say what is the greeting, let's say sometime when we start a conversation with the Copilot, with the chatbot, so it should greet. Generally in a human, generally we are going for the order. Receptionist, the person who is taking order, that person will ask us, how can I help you? Hi, good morning. And then we complete the order. When we do the payment, then they will say, have a good day, sir, your order will arrive within some minutes. So these are called greetings and end speech. Okay, so they have a ready-made template for that. If you want to use it, you can use it. Otherwise, you can create a new topic. Okay, so from here you can create a new topic and you need to click on blank. So your topic is created. Now let me just click here so it will go. Okay. So let me just close this. We will test it again. Okay, no problem. So this topic name is right now untitled, and let me give a name of that topic. Let's say test order, or you can say place order. Place order. So our topic is created, and meanwhile you can keep a habit of saving. So when a topic is start, what we should add? So we should add trigger first. Trigger means, let's say if you say hi, what should answer? Let's say how a chatbot will start interacting. So that is called trigger. Okay, so we need to add some phrases for that. So here you can add phrases. So let's say here I am adding hi. Then if someone say hello, okay, then someone say I want to order, then need help in order, So these are some predefined words or sentences using which chatbot will trigger. That means if someone say hi, someone say hello, so it will start interacting with the user. Not it will, but chatbot will start interacting with the user. So these are called my triggers. Okay, so you can save it after creating that. So whatever phrase you have written, you can see here. The next thing is that, let's say if someone say hi, hello, or initiate the conversation by saying any of the word. So what it should? Chatbot will ask a question to the user, how can I help you? How can I help you? How can I help you? Okay. And then user will write something. Let's say here you need to select, let's say here chatbot will ask a question, how can I help you? So what type of answer you expect from the user? Simply some numbers, you want to give some options to the user. So let's say here multiple choice option is there. That is called entity. As I told you, first of all we need to identify the intent. So intent is ordered, want to order, need help. So this is called intent. And here after understanding the intent, we need to identify the entity. Entity means what type of things you want. As I told you that I want ordered pizza, then I want to order milkshake, or this is called entity. So basically when we are identifying the entity, we need to identify which type of entity that want. So let's say I want to order pizza. So pizza is basically some text. So there are some predefined entities are there, like text, number, anything. So you can select from here, city, boolean, content, anything you want to, you can select. So let's say here you want to simply select text, not text, but let's say you want to select user entire response and you want to put it in that variable. So let's say user response. Okay, and what type of response you want. So let's say automatically the data type will detect it is in a string format or text format. Then let's test it, save it and first test it. That is the thing. So I created some question, and based on question chatbot will answer. Okay, so we have created one question, how can I help you, but how we will start? So let's say I will say hi. So automatically whatever the things you have written, it will ask. So after that ask, after the phrase I will write the chatbot should ask me, how can I help you? So let's say here I will write, I want to order ordered pizza. Then it is not answering anything. Why? Because when I am making a conversational flow, I stop till here. After that, I did not write anything what chatbot should do after taking response from the user. So after that, I will ask a question. What things you want to order? Okay. So whenever we want a response from the user, we will ask a question. So here I will ask what things, or you can say please select from the following. Please select item from the following. And then here I am giving multiple choice. So let's say I want to add options for that. So I am adding options, let's say pizza. Then you can add synonyms for that. Let's say sometimes some say pizza. Okay, so let's say sometimes say pizza, P-I-Z-A. Okay, it may be. So you can edit. So whether user write pizza or pizza, it will accept that. Okay, so it's kind of synonym. Then you want to add new options. Let's say milkshake. For that also you can add synonyms. So let's say here someone says shake. Okay, so also it will understand milkshake. Then let's say you want to say cold drink. Okay, so I'm giving these three options. So whatever user select, here you can say 3 branches were there. Now see, first branches is for pizza, second branches is for milkshake, and the third branches is for cold drink. And let's say if nothing selected, what I should do. So here I need that choice in some variable. So my default variable name is var1. So I want to rename it. So double click on it. Always give meaningful name to the variable. So if in future we want to identify that this variable is for what, so by reading the name of a variable we can easily understand. So we will write variable menu choice or item choice. Okay, hit enter. Then let's say if user select pizza, then we need to ask them, can you please tell me the size of the pizza, or you can say please select the size. So again we will ask a question, select size. Okay, and here in size also we are giving multiple choice question, regular, then new option large, and third option is extra large, or we can say regular and large pizza. Okay, we don't want to create third option right now, just. And here we will edit the name of a variable pizza size. Okay, so here it's done. Now what the second is showing that, let me close this first, and if you go upside, oh, where it is, oh, I accidentally, yes, here, let's say if user select pizza, then we ask them to select size, and based on that size again the condition or branches is created. If user say regular, then we will display a message, you ordered regular pizza. Okay, so in that case we want to display a message. So we want to send a message that you ordered, not a message. Send a message means what chatbot should display. You ordered, then pizza size and what thing you ordered. Okay, so here I will say variable item choice with the size that you ordered. Then I want to display what they have selected. So click on that. So here whatever variable you have created, it will display. So variable choice means you ordered and whatever choice they have selected, you ordered pizza of size, and then I again want to display the size whatever they have selected. Okay, so variable pizza size. You can do same thing for large size also. Let me do it. And then we want to end our conversation that your order will come after 10 minutes. So again we will send a message, thank you for the order. Let's save it and test it. Actually we have not finished yet, we just created a flow if user select pizza. We do not have created a flow what if user select other than pizza. Okay, so let's test it and let's restart it first. Let's say here I'm writing hi, so how can I help you? So you will ask, I want to order. Then please select item from the following. So let's say I'm selecting a pizza. Then select size, so regular size or a large size. Let's say here I'm not writing it, but let's say I'm writing here regular. Okay, and let's say here I just write REG. Then it will ask again regular or pizza, so it will not understand what is the meaning of REG. So I need to either write regular entire things or large same as it is, or either I can select it. So let's say I'm selecting regular. Then your ordered pizza, the message will come, you ordered pizza of size regular. Thank you for the order. Your order will arrive within 10 minutes. Okay, so this is the things. Now here let's say I want to add a synonyms for regular. So let's say if user select REG, still it will come. If user select R, still it will come. So what I need to do, so here in option, in synonyms, I need to add the things. Let's say here in synonyms you can add REG like this, or other synonyms you can add REG like that, or you can select R. Someone said if write R, and if someone write R, still it will understand. Okay, let's test it, run it and test it. Okay, let's restart the conversation. So I'm writing hi, how can I help you? So I want to order. Please select item from the following. So I'm writing pizza. So here not I am selecting from here, but I am writing here I want to order R, so regular. So it will automatically understand that you ordered pizza for size regular. Okay, so if you want if user enter any short form instead of entire thing, if user do not select and they will write by themselves, you need to make sure that synonyms are added. So when you are developing a flow, you need to make sure that what user may add. So when you are developing a chatbot, you should be smart, intelligent. You should be aware that what things user may add instead of that. So let's say instead of regular, they select reg. Instead of regular, they will write r. If they do not select option, what they will do. So when you are developing these things, this thing you need to keep it in mind. Now let's restart it and test it again. Order. Now this time I am selecting a milkshake and let's see what happened. It just say thank you for the order, thank you for your order will arrive within 10 minutes. Here it's not asking to please select the size. Generally in milkshake we do not, restaurant has not option of size, but let's say milkshake, please select the which shake you want. So let's say here we need to write here we need to ask a question that what after selecting a milkshake I need to ask a question, please select the type of shake. Shake or milkshake, and here this time I am giving multiple choice question, and here I am giving mango shake. Then here I need to add response, synonyms. Let's say mango like this, someone will write like this, mango. So whatever they have written, it should smart enough to understand. Then other than mango shake, we can write chiku shake. Okay, and we can add it, hit enter, and then we will select a name of a variable, not select but write a name of a variable, shake type. Okay, and save it. Here it is saying that topic has 3 error. So let's identify what's the error in that. Let me open it. Error will prevent the copilot from working, must be fixed before you can publish it. So let's see that what's the error in that. There are one or more additional issues. Open that. Question behavior, voice. Okay, so I need to ask a question behavior. Select property. Allow user to be skipped. Okay, ask every time. And here let's test it first. Hi, then I want to order and let's say this time I'm selecting milkshake. So it is saying that please select from the please select the type of shake. So I'm selecting mango shake, and then thank you for your order. Your order will arrive within 10 minutes. Same way you can design for the cold drinks. This way you can design your conversational flow using NLP in Power Virtual Agent. Now this is not yet over. You can also connect your Power Virtual Agent to the database. So let's say if user want to know the status of their order, so the chatbot will ask what is this, what is the order ID. Chatbot will ask the order ID from the user, and then chatbot will connect with the database, and from the database it will answer. So this way also you can develop a chatbot. We have already created a video that how you can create chatbot using database interaction. So link is given in the description. You can check it out and you can try to develop like that. So I hope you get an idea what is conversational AI, how NLP is used in that, and how you can develop a conversational type of chatbot in Power Virtual Agent. Thank you for choosing KnowHow Academy as a source of your IT knowledge. We are always here to help you to navigate to the tech world. If you have any question, do not feel hesitate to reach out us. Stay curious, keep learning.